Hi and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to export a section from Premiere Pro timeline. Select the clips and right click mouse, make it subsequence. Okay, so the project timeline already made a subsequence. Here is the footage. Okay, see, so now you can export it. Go here, export media, export. Okay, here is another way. Lay head cursor here, mark in, and go here and mark out. Okay, now go to the export media. See, here is selected the clips. Now export. Okay, hope this helpful. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.